In this video, I want to show you how to take an Amazon S3 bucket and turn it into a public available website. Do simple website hosting with an S3 bucket. So here we are at the Amazon homepage, and I'm going to go into Amazon S3 over here under storage and click on S3. And here I have a bucket, a test bucket that I created in a previous video, SSWP-YouTube test. So I'm going to go into that. And right now this bucket is empty. There's nothing in it, but I want to turn on and allow this bucket to serve as a website. So I'm going to turn on static website hosting on this bucket. So to do that, I'm going to go over here to properties. Right now I have nothing configured. I just created the bucket and that was all. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on static website hosting. And it gives me an endpoint here, which is going to be the URL I can use to access this bucket. So right now it is the name of the bucket. Again, all bucket names have to be unique. .s3-website-us-1.amazonaws.com. And so if this is for a simple use, like let's say you're going to, an example would be you're selling something on eBay and you had to take a bunch of pictures for your product that you're selling on eBay. And if you use all of the available free images on the eBay listing, you have to provide a website to upload additional photos. You could use something like this, very simple, to host your pictures on and provide them as part of your eBay listing. So there's tons of examples. That's just one. But let's say we're going to use this bucket to host a website. So from here, you have to set some settings, basic web server settings like index document. If someone goes just to the root of this website, what document are they going to be served? What's the default document? So I'm going to, for example, here I'm going to put index.html. So you'd create this page, and that would be the default page anyone sees when they go to that website. An error document as well. If there is a problem, like say they type in the wrong URL or click on an invalid link, and instead of getting a 404 error, we're going to send them to an error page, which I'll just make error.html. So from here, that's all you really need to do static website hosting. I'm going to go ahead and copy this URL and hit save. So now I have bucket hosting turned on. So I'll go ahead and, oh, that didn't copy and paste properly. So doesn't give me a very good way to copy this data. Let me copy that, go to a new page, and paste. Okay, so this is what I expect. Error 403 forbidden, because there is nothing there to be seen. There's not even an index.html file. So for right now, that's the behavior as it should be expected. So I'll go back over to objects, and I'm going to upload something just so you can see it and show it as a website. So I'm going to upload. Click on the upload button and do add files. So I put a simple Amazon Web Services logo that I had here, and click next. Don't need to manage any permissions or anything. Click next. Can leave everything as default here. If you're changing storage classes or setting some encryption on these files, which we're doing a static website hosting, so we definitely don't want to encrypt anything, and we don't need to set any metadata. So I click next, do a review, and upload. So now I have this file here, and it's all set, and I can click on this link here, open a new tab, and I'm getting access denied. So the reason is I need to make this public. Got a little quick on my my settings here. If I look at permissions, you'll see that I have read write, and I didn't actually set then everyone to read. So we can go back to overview, and click on Make Public, and it'll go ahead and make the permissions changes necessary to make it public. So if I go back over here to permissions, you can see now everyone has read access. So if I come back over here and refresh, there's my logo. So this is just a simple test to show that I've got a website, and the website actually can host images. You can put documents, HTML files, videos, whatever you want here. But a very simple, very quick way to create a website based on an S3 bucket. So from here, keep in mind that you go over to properties of the bucket. Bucket hosting is turned on, and you've got a custom URL you can use for bucket hosting. So if I created an index HTML or any other static website content, I could put that in here. Make sure you upload it. Upload all of those files into the bucket, just like I've done here with this logo, and you'll have a static website you can use. Like for my example, if you're hosting, if you need to host some images for an eBay auction or any other thing where you just need a simple website to host some content for a period of time, this is a great way to do that. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. And with that, I will see you in the next video.